Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you all how to wash your makeup brushes using your washing machine. Yes, I thought it was a hoax, but it's legit. So keep watching. So first things first, you're going to need a mesh bag. I'm using a bag that I carry my brushes in when I travel to clients. You can also get one of those bra bags, like the bags that you wash your bras in from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to separate my brushes. I'm putting the bigger brushes in a tighter bag, and you will see that I'll put the smaller brushes in a larger bag. Put the mesh bags in the washing machine. For this step, you can use detergent of your choice. I'm using Dawn dishwashing liquid because Dawn is known for getting grease and dirt out of anything. Depending on your washing machine is how you should go about the timing. I'm going to make sure I put it on hot, and I'm going to put it on the lowest time, which is 26 minutes. Now the brushes are all clean, so I'm just going through them to make sure that they're clean. Some of them have a couple spots, some of them are spotless. Those that have a couple spots, I just went back and hand cleaned them because they probably had more product on them. But for the most part, all of my brushes are clean, honey, as you can see. Now the final step, you would need to lay your brushes out and use alcohol. The bottle says 50%, but it's not. This is just an old bottle. I actually have 99%. I like to make sure I sanitize my brushes really good since I do use them on clients. Once you're done spraying your brushes front and back with the alcohol, you'll let them sit out to air dry and they'll be done.